What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, today I'm not recording off of my actual camera. I'm using my iPhone, but I wanted to do a quick video for you on how to properly clean and lube your LPH400. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into it. First thing, you're going to disassemble the whole thing. Take your gauge off. Just like this. Put that off to the side. Pull your needle out. Clean this, as well as the air cap. Which we normally use a solvent-based cleaner, thinner, unless you are working with a waterborne color, which you would use, we use acetone for that. So you're gonna clean it up, and then we have an air gun that you're gonna blow it out once you're done cleaning it. Next, you're gonna do the fluid tip. Okay, same thing. Clean it out, use a little brush. You have a little brush here. So what you're gonna do is take the little brush. This one's a little bit of a pain because it's kind of all, bristles are all going in different directions, but yeah, you want to go in there, clean that really well. Make sure that you're getting your tip best as you can. Now when you're on the job, you're not going to have all day to be able to do this. When you're on the job, you're not going to have all day to do this, so you want to make sure you're giving it a nice thorough clean at a fast pace. Next, the gun, you want to make sure you're getting the thinner inside here, and taking the brush, getting inside. Same in here, really well. If you got to do it twice, do it twice. That's normally what I do there, and rinse it out with some more thinner. And you're going to blow it out. Okay, then you're going to reassemble everything. But now when you reassemble, we're going to lube it up. So first we're going to tighten here. Done. Now we're going to do the fluid tip. For the needle, sorry. Not fluid tip. Just a little bit of lube on the top. Nothing crazy. Just enough to get that rubber band that's on the inside here. Piece of rubber that's in here. Keep it nice and ruby. You don't want the dry rot in there. And then done. Spring. When your hands are slippery, sometimes it could be a pain in the ass to get that in there. Like I've talked about in most of my videos, you want to make sure that you tighten it all the way to the end, so that you can always readjust your settings every time. Then what you're going to do is put a little bit more lube on each side of the rings for the air cap. Boom, done. And then I like to take it off again and put it back on just to kind of get those threads nice and lubricated. And you want to make sure that you're putting your cap on correct way there. Boom, done. Okay, and you're going to put your gauge back on in here. Now for this lube that I'm using here, I will leave a link in the description below. Same thing with this gauge here. I will also put a link in the description. Awesome gauge. Works very well. Tighten that up there. Boom. Done. All right. And that is how you clean and lubricate your LPH400. Now that I've had this LPH400 for a while, I can honestly say that I love this gun. It's a great gun. If you are a new beginner painter, you definitely need to get something that's professional, something that, you know, that's going to last a very long time. And this is a very inexpensive professional way to do that. LPH400. It's not crazy expensive like a SATA. This is a cheap, budget-friendly professional paint gun. It's going to run you about $650 for this gun without the cup, and it does a really good job. Now that I've had this gun for probably about 9 months now, I'm looking to probably getting a second one for myself, and also a Supernova, which is mainly for clear coat. But it's also made by Anest Iwata, so I'm thinking about picking up one of those, and I'll definitely probably do an unboxing for you guys for that, and you know, continue to use that and see how it works. And if it works well, I'll continue to use it, and then I'll continue to put videos out on it, so that way you guys know that it's something that works well, and maybe something you guys might want to pick up, you know, along the line as well. So now, if you want to get crazy, you can go ahead and also, you know, thinner the outside of the gun. And then go ahead and give it a nice thorough wipe down. You can even take the brush and get into those little hard to reach crevices. And, you know, I don't recommend doing this in between, you know, your stages or whatever. If you're using one gun or if you're using two guns, I don't recommend doing this in between your stages. It's only going to take up time. You only want to do this when you're all finished with the job. You're all finished with all your jobs throughout the day. You want to come back in and same with lubrication. You don't want to lube every time, you know, in between your stages or whatever. You want to make sure that you're doing it at the very end, so you're not wasting any precious time that you could be spending on that particular job. All right. And that's how you keep your baby nice and clean. Now she's ready for the next job.
Yo,
What's up?
it's ice cream time. It's on the back of the key.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Now, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. If you like the video and you want to see more of it, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.